Hi, this is Mrs. Gervasio here with Wednesday's homework. Let's jump right to it. Okay, be sure to watch and re-watch the tutorial. Pause for the practice problems and of course come back and check and see how you did. Complete the homework at the end of the tutorial and of course show all of your work. Alright, our first practice problem here. An elephant may weigh 2 ounces, 2 pounds, or 2 tons. Good job, 2 tons. Alright, our next practice problem. A glass of juice may weigh 6 what? 6 ounces, 6 pounds, or 6 tons. Now it's a glass of juice, it's not a container of juice. You're right, it is 6 ounces. Good job. The weight of a truck. Would you weigh a truck in ounces, in pounds, or in tons? Take a guess. In tons. Well done. Good job. And here's a converting practice problem for you. I want you to go ahead and convert 2 tons into how many pounds? Now, because we're dealing with customary conversions, remember that you need to do the T-chart. So go ahead, pause me, work out the problem, and then come back. Alright, the first thing you need to do is put tons and pounds. And then you have to say 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. And then you have to keep going. And then you have another ton is 2,000 pounds. Then you add those up, and then your answer is 2 tons equals 4,000 pounds. Another practice problem for you here. You have 8 pounds equals how many ounces? 8 pounds equals how many ounces? Now this is not 81 pounds, this is 8 pounds equals how many ounces? Go ahead and pause me and then come back to check your work. So because it was dealing with customary conversion, you realized that you had to put a T-chart, and you had to put pounds on one side, ounces on the other, and that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. And you had to keep doing that, keep doing that, keep doing that until you got 8 pounds. And then you added that up, and you got 128 ounces. So hopefully you got that correct. If you did not, you need to go back. You need to take responsibility. Go back and check to see where you made the mistake. Another practice problem. A vitamin might weigh 100 milligrams, 100 grams, 100 kilograms. What do you think? Milligrams. A vitamin might weigh 100 milligrams. Good job. Alright, some more metric weighing. So, metric units. So, a gold necklace. What would you use to measure a gold necklace? Would you use milligrams, grams, or kilograms? Grams. You would use grams to measure a gold necklace. Alright, now that we're entering, and now that we've already entered into metric units, we're going to go ahead and convert our metric units. So, how many grams would equal 8 kilograms? Think about what you need to do. I'm going to give you a little hint. You would want to first do your Kernersville has dangerous ballet dancers carrying monkeys, and then go from there. So pause me and then come on back. Alright, so you should have said that it's kilograms. So that's why you put the grams over here with the kilo, and you put 8 above it, so 8 kilograms. Now you have to go over to grams. So you want to make sure to do your do your bubbles. So you are going 1, 2, 3 times to the right. So that means that you are adding 3 zeros to the 8. And that it is 1,000 times grams is 1,000 times parts of kilograms. So just like it would take 1,000 grams to equal 1 kilogram, it takes 8,000 grams to equal 8 kilograms. All right, now go ahead and figure out this problem. 6,000 grams equals how many kilograms? Go ahead and solve it. Pause me, solve it, and come on back. Okay, because it says 6,000 grams, we're dealing with grams there. There's our grams, and then 6,000. And now we're looking for the kilo. Kilograms is what we're doing. So now we're going to the left one, 2, 3 times. And when we go to the left, that means we're taking away zeros. So we would take away 3 zeros, and our answer is 6. So 6,000 grams equal 1 kilogram. Okay, and here's the part of the homework that you need to actually bring into class tomorrow. Oh, that's okay. It's not very many problems at all. So, a car weighs about 1 what? Ounces, pounds, or tons. Your next homework problem. The weight of a pair of shoes. Would you measure that in ounces, pounds, or tons? Now you're thinking your pairs of shoes, not my pair of shoes. Your pair of shoes. And then what would you use to measure the weight of a potato chip? Ounces, pounds, or tons? Okay, now you're going to go ahead and convert 224 ounces into how many pounds? And then 4 pounds into how many ounces? Okay, another homework problem. A gold bracelet might weigh 11 milligrams, 11 grams, or 11 kilograms. Now we've moved into the metric units. Okay, what would you use to measure the weight of a kitchen table? Milligrams, grams, or kilograms. And now you're going to be converting 7 kilograms into how many milligrams? And your last homework problem, 14 kilograms into how many grams? And there you have it. There was your homework for tonight. Any problems, make sure to talk to me tomorrow. All right? That's it. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.